My name's Todd. I'm here with Greg that does a lot of our cleaning for our Keep It Clean program, and with that the properties typically look pretty good when Greg gets there, and we really can customize that to the needs of each customer's property. But Greg, tell us a little bit. We're here at a 6-month program. What do we see and how's that different than a 4-month?
As you can see here, our friendly cobwebs, we have quite a buildup. This is a 6-month Keep It Clean again here in Lakewood Ranch, and this is pretty standard for a 6-month buildup of what you'll have. The spider webs will cling to everything, and a garden hose being sprayed at it will not take them down. The program helps us to maintain mold and mildew at its minimum. As you can see, this has not yet been cleaned yet. The mold and mildew is not visible on this Keep It Clean program. It's primarily cobwebs. We have some mud daubers. With our Keep It Clean program, one of the benefits is we use limited chemical and limited pressure, thus keeping your house looking its best while being friendly to the environment.
Austin, we're going to be cleaning this pool cage and deck that we did about a year ago. And so just show us on screens like this. A lot of people are concerned about using pressure. I know we use a light pressure. Just show us the tip you'd use to clean that.
So basically you use this tip at an angle, so it hits it all completely.
Just a little rinse. I'll put my hand in there just so you get an idea of how it's just enough pressure to take the dirt and mildew off, but it's not going to damage the screen at all.
Yeah, you spray everything back. Like that.
We get to the street gutters, I kind of have the before and after. We take a little bit of pressure to it, presto, perfectly clean gutters now.
So the benefits of Keep It Clean are multiple. One is, your property looks great year-round. We're able to do it with limited chemical, limited pressure, therefore limited disruption, and it allows your property to look great, not just after the pressure washer has been there, but we partner with you to customize that and really to keep it looking good year-round.